Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network, and today I'm gonna do unboxing for this bathroom towel rack aluminium, which is you can use the adhesive also to use it and also screw. So there's two options, and when you bought this, the adhesive also will be provided. Okay. This is the screw. The side they're behind it actually. And behind. And adhesive. They give free together. By the way, if you like the if you wanted to purchase this thing, the link will be below the video. Okay. This is the 50 cm bar, double bar for towel rack. So this is behind, which you're gonna screw this. Yeah, and this is actually aluminium, very light. Okay, so let's assemble. You just need a small, not small, the thick screw here, and then this here. And the screw. Okay, and will be the other one. They provide the thick screw with 4 pieces, and then the thinner screw also 4 pieces, which is actually over extra. Actually, they give it extra. And this one over here. I will do another video of installation with just the adhesive. That one will be a separate video. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. There you go. So it's done. This is the behind, and this one. So it's going to be like this when you hang it. Okay. Thank you for watching.